Hello, good morning. Thank you for coming on this channel. My name is Maxwell Duapeme. I don't know if you have heard about an online website that is referred to as ChatGPT. We have been using ChatGPT to do a whole lot since it came out towards the end of last year. Now, more and more things are coming on board regarding that particular AI machine. What now happens now, or what came up recently again, is that you can add ChatGPT to your WhatsApp and begin to do what we do with it on their website. Now let's go, let me show you. Now before we go on, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. If this is the first time you have come across it, also please remember to like it and then share the video with your friends. So we move in. Here is my WhatsApp. Now I would like you to take a look at the number that is on the screen. Here is this number. That is the number ChatGPT uses. I take it back again so that you can see it. This is the number +1 201 416 6644. So you get this number and save it in your phone as you would do for the number of someone that you know. The number for it, the owner of that number or the name that it will show is SH Moose AI. But I am the one that saved the name as ChatGPT. So, and this is how it works. Let's say you want to tell ChatGPT to say, okay, let's say today is Easter. All right. Write a season's greeting, or simply or a happy Easter message to my friend called Sunday. After typing it, all you now need to do is to hit the send button, and then you wait. You wait it a few seconds. Okay. Now you can see that it has written it. It said, "Dear Sunday, I wanted to take a moment to wish you a very happy Easter. This is a special day full of joy, hope, and new beginnings. May it be filled with all of the love, happiness, and blessings that this holiday has to offer. On this day, we celebrate the resurrection of Jesus, as well as the beauty of springtime and the renewal of life. It's a time to reflect on the importance of faith, family, and friendship, and I feel incredibly grateful to have you as my friend. Your kindness, support, and positivity means the world to me. I hope you have a wonderful Easter filled with all your favorite traditions and surrounded by people you love. Let's celebrate together soon. Warmest wishes, your name." Now, let's assume that I forgot to include my name. I can just do that and ask, let me copy this. I can now say that, let's say my name as I told you, is Maxwell Duapeme. So I could just write my name is Maxwell. Then I will now remove this today's sister and just say just so that you know that this is not fake. My name is Maxwell. Write a happy Easter message to my friend called Sunday. So let me rerun this and see. And you see what ChatGPT is doing. All right. Okay. So it has written it, and you see, dear Sunday, Maxwell here. I just wanted to and blah blah blah. So I wouldn't want to go over to read again what maybe similar to what I read. But what you need to see is that it has included my name. Now, if you got value from this, I'd like you to hit subscribe. I'd like you to hit the notification button. I'd like you to leave a comment below in the chat box or in the comment section to express your feeling towards ChatGPT. Thank you very much and happy Easter to you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Peace.